If you've clicked on this video, you are either here to find out what email marketing is or how you can earn money from it. Don't worry, because we have got the answer to both of these questions. Keep watching to find out more. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and push the notifications bell button for more. Let's go! When it comes to earning money online, no marketing automation program has consistently outperformed email. This is primarily due to email's unrivaled reputation for delivering the highest conversion rates at the lowest possible cost. So, how does email marketing aid in prospect and customer relationship development? Every serious business owner understands that maintaining excellent customer relationships is important to the growth and ultimate survival of their company. The development of quality prospects and client relationships is critical to the success of any firm, which is why email marketing automation solutions have become an essential aspect of many businesses today. Businesses can use email marketing to give timely and high-quality material that earns customers' trust and loyalty. They use a variety of email marketing automation solutions and tactics, such as sending out frequent educational newsletters, conducting giveaways, personalizing emails, using creative subject lines, using pictures and emails, and so on. Why is email marketing important and effective? For many years, email marketing has been the most relevant and effective marketing channel. According to Statista, there are approximately 4 billion email subscribers around the globe today. A variety of elements contribute to email's relevance and efficiency. According to Campaign Monitor, 72% of individuals prefer to receive marketing materials from companies via email, while 17% prefer to receive the same content via social media. The average email is opened by 20 to 30% of its recipients, giving it 3 times the exposure of Facebook and with greater click-through rates. At its core, an email marketing campaign is the activity of sending emails to customers in order to increase sales. The strategy has been around for more than a quarter century and is still one of the most effective instruments for brand building. The best part is that you don't need a large budget for it. There are numerous low-cost and free email marketing tools available to help you get started. The fact that the method is overtly consensual contributes to its success. Customers give you permission to send emails to their inbox after they sign up and provide you with their email addresses. So you aren't spamming them in the traditional sense. Instead, you're sending them the correspondence that they requested. You are providing them with value. Email marketing can take many different shapes. Some businesses use newsletters to keep their consumers and clients up to date on the latest developments in their industry. This approach is typically taken by nonprofits, professional service firms, and consultancies. It's a method for them to remind customers that they still exist and that, when the time comes, they should use them. Retailers make use of email marketing in a slightly different way, by providing links to products they believe the user will find interesting. Customers are normally directed to sales pages where they can look at products and add them to their shopping carts. Some emails contain a promotion or a special offer. Any company can come up with one of these, but it will eat into your profits. Abandoned cart emails are a type of low-cost email sent by businesses to entice customers who leave your website without purchasing the products in their online shopping cart. In email marketing, the how is, therefore, more important than the what. Anyone has the ability to send thousands of unsolicited emails. Successful businesses, on the other hand, recognize that the greatest way to monetize email marketing is to encourage customers to give up their email addresses voluntarily. That's a solid sign that you have something valuable to offer them. How does email marketing make money? Making money with email marketing is much more simple than you think. You'll struggle to generate traction unless you follow a specific process exactly. And getting trapped in a rut is no fun. You're losing possibilities and missing out on opportunities. When it comes to email marketing, you must change your perspective. It's not about making money. Instead, It is about convincing people to buy from you, which begins with list building. This phrase may appear to be repeating itself, yet there is a slight distinction here. When you sell, you are attempting to persuade a skeptical customer to buy from you. But when you persuade people to buy from you, you're putting a seed in their minds, and they're the ones who make it grow. It's similar to Inception, the movie. The latter method is almost always more successful. Customers get the notion that they are in control of their purchasing habits and that they initiate the sale. It provides individuals with a sense of agency and, as a result, overcomes their resistance. It's Psychology 101, but it works. And you must do so with your email marketing, which should be optimized using an automation approach. Your first goal should be to arouse desire and add value. Allow the customer to press themselves into the purchase. You are not required to control that aspect of the process. You simply cannot. Before we go into instances, keep in mind a golden guideline of email marketing. Your correspondence must be relevant. Accounting services are not needed by college students. Vegans aren't interested in top Angus beefsteak. Jet ski vacations in the sun are useless to the elderly. You get the idea. Maintain simplicity. Maintain its relevance. So, with that said, how can you profit from email marketing? The variety of alternatives will astound you. Businesses who want to use this unique resource to develop their finances can do so easily and affordably while still achieving amazing outcomes. So, let's look at 15 secret tips to make money from an email campaign. Number 15, expand your list. Email automation solutions can help with this. Embedded newsletter sign-up modules on article pages, on-site overlays, referral programs, and registration walls are just a few of the numerous methods for growing your list. Number 14, customize, customize, customize. After segmenting your email list based on demographics, engagement level, or reading activity, the next step is to tailor your message to each subscriber's specific preferences. This can be accomplished by personalizing your email messages. Number 13, don't personalize just for the sake of personalizing. Use personalization to demonstrate your genuineness and expertise in your field. You can preserve it for possibilities such as a subscriber welcome series or to orient newly enrolled users by encouraging them to explore content and services. Number 12, keep track of your list. Deliverability is dependent on a clean and efficient email list. Using email marketing automation solutions might assist you in efficiently managing your list. Number 11, establish standards. Track the performance of all emails, editorial, and marketing on a regular basis. Number 10, remove hard bounces automatically. Set ground regulations for soft bounces. Check for and remove users who have a certain amount of soft and hard bounces. Number 9, protect against spam bots. Analyze and weigh the benefits and drawbacks of implementing a twofold opt-in approach. Number 8, recognize and block users who never open your emails. Make rules for what qualifies as your final abyss, such as no openings in the last month. Number 7, avoid spam traps. Clean your list on a regular basis. This can prevent your emails from being sent to spam traps, which will harm their deliverability. Number 6, never ever buy an email list. Buying email lists might have a detrimental impact on your total send rate and reputation. You can rent it, but not own it. Furthermore, it violates the terms of service of many email marketing automation service providers. Number 5, understand your state's anti-spam laws. There are several anti-spam regulations in place, including CAN-SPAM in the United States, CASL in Canada, and GDPR in the European nation. Understand all of your country's email consent and opt-out policies and processes, as well as the consequences for violating them. Number 4, mobile optimization. Most emails are opened on mobile devices, according to ReturnPath, an email marketing service. Create mobile-friendly email designs to ensure that the emails you send are available to your mobile audience. Number 3, make data-informed decisions. Check that the data in your emails is correct and that you are following industry standards. Recognize that there is no one-size-fits-all solution, so pick your send times, subject lines, and call to actions carefully. Number 2, test, test, test. Use a small section of your list to test different aspects of your email, such as subscription offer and placement, subject lines, and calls to action. This will give you an idea of what works, and you can then distribute the winning creative to the rest of the list. Number 1, put all best practices to the test. Be dynamic and adaptable. Examine your email performance on a regular basis and try new things. Learn what works and improve upon it. But hold on, this is not it. We have another important tip for you that most people don't know about, and that is the importance of a strong call to action and the importance of copywriting. A call to action is one of the most useful techniques in email marketing automation for e-commerce. This marketing instruction is designed to elicit an immediate response from the audience. CTAs can be placed anywhere in your marketing, website, blog, email, or even a blog post. It increases visitor conversion and improves your click-through rate. The higher your click-through rate, the higher your rating in search engine result pages will be. Some of the CTAs that you can use are sign up, register, call, subscribe, try now, donate, buy, order, share, follow, and download. Copywriting is also essential. Good writing may persuade, attract, and establish a positive image for your organization. Poor copywriting will give visitors a negative impression of your website and thus a negative impression of the product or service you're giving on the website. Your organization will be able to swiftly and simply acquire an audience and a strong reputation by providing distinctive, relevant, and high-quality material through great copywriting, whether on a web page, blog, or social media account. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you use these secret tips that not a lot of people know about, you will surely be able to earn more money through email marketing. If you like this video, then make sure to let us know by leaving a comment down below, giving this video a huge thumbs up, and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching!